Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today we're going to try to get this drain in and get the tub set in place, and we're going to get started now. Alright, so I got that pipe cut and I got the rubber boot on, and I'm going to have to leave it right there until I put the tub in. So let's get the tub and get it set in place. Alright, with minimal casualties, I had to take out a little piece of drywall over here to get this thing in place. But I'm in place, I'm all leveled up. I'm screwed into the studs. Okay, so now I'm going to go get a piece of cardboard and put it down in the chili chute so I don't scratch that. And I'm going to get measurements for this back piece, because I have to cut the back around this window. So let me gear up for that. Alright, so that's cut in, and some trimming to make that look correct will be in order. And alright, on to the next thing. Alright, so I got this in. I gotta put the spout, I gotta get a measurement with the spout on. Some drywall repairs that raise the shower head. I'm gonna have to put vinyl trim around this window and make this weatherproof somehow. And go and move the washer and dryer in the laundry room and get to the access panel so I can hook the drain up. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Subscribe, share the video, leave a comment, hit the like button. Choo-choo!